Every year in Europe, over 7.5 million tons of plastic end up in waste landfills. At the same time, our roads are deteriorating rapidly, rutting and cracking occur, and repairs cost billions of euros. What if there is a way to solve both of these problems simultaneously? We present an innovative technology, asphalt modified with waste polymer. It is a cycle of 3 interconnected inventions that create a complete production process for building durable and ecological road surfaces. Our technology uses waste polypropylene, plastic that would normally end up in the trash. We add it to asphalt together with a special compatibilizer, an agent that ensures the plastic bonds perfectly with the asphalt. The result? A material with performance parameters that exceed traditional solutions. What does this mean in practice? First, more durable roads. Road surfaces built with our technology are more resistant to rutting and cracking. This means fewer repairs and lower infrastructure maintenance costs. Second, ecology. Each kilometer of road can utilize several tons of waste plastic. This is direct support for a circular economy. Third, cost savings. Using waste polymer instead of expensive premium modifiers reduces production costs by up to 25%. Fourth, safety. Better roads mean greater comfort and safety for drivers, as well as reduced fuel consumption and emissions. Our technology is not just theory. We have conducted comprehensive laboratory research in compliance with Polish technical standards. The cycle of 3 inventions has been submitted for patent protection and is ready for implementation in existing asphalt production facilities, without the need for expensive modifications to production lines. Imagine a future where we build better roads while simultaneously cleaning the environment of plastic waste. This is not science fiction. This is our technology, ready for implementation today. Asphalt modified with waste polymer, combining durability with ecology.